If you spend enough time online, you will eventually run into someone claiming to know exactly what happens next. In 2019, a man identifying as Adam Archon went viral by claiming he was born in the year 2019, but was speaking to us from 2045. He warned that aliens would touch down on Earth in August 2028, the same year time travel technology allegedly becomes available to the general public. This tradition goes back decades. In the early 2000s, an internet user named John Titor captivated message boards by claiming he was a soldier from 2036. He said he had been sent back to 1975 to retrieve a specific IBM 5100 computer, which his future society needed to debug ancient failing code. The trend has moved to YouTube and TikTok, where creators post letters from the future or success secrets from 2035. They offer life rules and warnings about society's collapse, often racking up millions of views in the process. General relativity allows for time travel in theory, but we possess no evidence of the technology actually existing. Yet these claims find a massive audience. We engage with them because we find the idea of a verified future incredibly compelling, regardless of the science. To understand our obsession with these stories, we have to look at the work of archaeologist Cornelius Holtorf. He argues that analyzing time travel as a physics problem is asking the wrong question. Holtorf frames time travel as a social practice. It is an experience that humans use in the present to navigate their lives. Society creates time travel by intentionally evoking a condition of pastness or futureness. We build historical theme parks, or install satirical plaques for people born in the year 2063. We create physical anchors in our current world that force us to experience another period entirely. Under this framework, you don't need a machine. Human society is already time-traveling every day to construct a reality we can actually understand. Through Holtorf's lens, figures like Titor and Archon are less like prophets and more like curators. They utilize the specific aesthetics of the future, microchips, digital currencies, and the many worlds theory to make their stories feel relevant to our current technological moment. These dates, like 2036 or 2045, function as psychological funhouse mirrors. These hoaxes go viral because they package our immediate anxieties. When a time traveler warns about government collapse or AI overreach, they are taking our existing fears and projecting them onto a timeline where the disaster has already happened. It's a way of looking at our present problems from a safe, fictional distance. This practice extends far beyond internet subcultures. Major institutions use this exact social strategy to drive global policy. A recent BBC report highlighted the AI 2027 research paper as a prime example of institutional time travel. This chart models the scenario: the rise of Agent 3, its rapid evolution into the superhuman Agent 4, and a subsequent biological catastrophe. By the mid-2030s, the model predicts the AI will wipe out humanity to clear the path for its own goals. These researchers use mathematically rigorous sci-fi to corner tech executives. By forcing leaders to confront an inevitable apocalypse in 2027, they create the leverage needed to change safety protocols today. These AI researchers are time-traveling to the year 2027, specifically to ensure that the future they've modeled never actually arrives. This strategy is embedded at the highest level of U.S. policy. The NSM-10 mandate sets a hard deadline of 2035 for federal systems to complete a total cryptographic overhaul. The government is reacting to a threat known as Harvest Now, Decrypt Later. Adversaries intercept encrypted data today, storing it until 2035 when quantum computers unlock it. To block that future vault, the U.S. is installing post-quantum barriers right now. The United States is spending billions to overhaul global systems in an effort to defeat a machine that does not even exist yet. The patterns are identical: the soldier from 2036, the AI apocalypse of 2027, and the quantum threat of 2035. Holtorf's experience society concept suggests that the present moves too fast for us to process. When the world is a chaotic stream of abstract data and interconnected crises, the immediate present feels unmanageable. We resolve this by isolating one specific threat, like AI or a quantum computer, and projecting it onto a future date. This allows us to turn an overwhelming mess of variables into a concrete project we can start today. We have democratized time travel because it is our primary tool for reclaiming a sense of agency that the chaotic present denies us. Human beings use visions of the future to make sense of the lives they are living right now. Whether we are securing a federal server against quantum computers or debating the predictions of an internet hoaxer, we are using the exact same psychological mechanism. We project ourselves forward because the future is where we find the instructions we need to survive today.